Hey folks, Dagger from the Six here, coming to you from the Florida RV Super Show 2026. And I'm here with Tim Denig. He's from Gulfstream, and he's going to show us around the vintage Cruiser 19 CSK and tell us a little bit about what sets a Gulfstream apart. So take it away, Tim.
Thanks, Greg. What's great about the vintage here is, number one, you can't get this color anywhere else in the world. We have 5 different colors: Laura Ashley blue, red, turquoise, woody like the old station wagon, and last but not least, white. If you don't want color, we do make them in white. We call that the Vista Cruiser line. Same floor plans, just in white. But the better part is, if you like lightweight, this is it. It has the most aerodynamic, low center of gravity travel trailer in the business, and we make them so they're SUV towable. And why are they so lightweight? Because they're made out of fiberglass, styrofoam, and better yet, Azdel. Azdel is a magnificent product that replaces most of the wood in the sidewalls, and it makes it lighter, half the weight of wood. So that's how we get lighter. And the best part about this product line is it's one-piece fiberglass back wall, roof, and rear wall all the way to the front. One-piece fiberglass. There's no leaky rubber roof on this. This is outstanding. We just eliminated all those problems you ever have. Now let's go to the side and see some more stuff. Here on the side of the Laura Ashley, there's a lot of neat things that we add. One is on every rear corner, there's a quick connect on the bottom for a gas grill. So now you can hook up your gas grill. Number 2 is, this is pretty nice. You have hot water all the time. This is hot water on demand. It's an on-demand water heater. Outstanding to have on a small trailer. What we do on the vintage Cruiser line and the Vista Cruiser line is we give you all the features of a 30-foot travel trailer in a smaller box and make it lightweight so you can tow it. So you're not missing anything. That's pretty cool. Right here is pretty cool. Our owners are dog lovers, so we have a doggy leash holder. And for mom and dad, it's a bottle opener, just in case. That's pretty cool. Here we have the safety steps with the safety handle on every unit we build. We won't build it any other way, but you know what people forget about safety steps? Having 2 more pads on the ground act like 2 more stab jacks. Now instead of just on the corners, you have 2 in the middle of the coach. Pretty nice little feature, keeps your coach a lot more sturdy. So you're not rocking and rolling all the time. We have the friction entry door. Wherever you put it, even on a windy day like we've had the last 2 days, it doesn't slam shut on anybody's fingers or anything. It just stays where it's supposed to. Man, if we can train a door to stay, imagine what we can do with your dogs. So just saying. This is kind of cool. Moon rims. Boy, if that doesn't take you back, and it gives you a place to shave when mama's using the bathroom too much. Also, what's neat about that is you just had a picture of Goodyear radial tires. We don't do a knockoff brand. It's Goodyear radial tires on everything we do. This also sets us apart right here. This is pretty cool. Indoor-outdoor TV hookups. And you just slide the TV off and put it outside. So you put it in the bedroom, you put it outside. That's pretty neat to have if you want to watch a movie under the stars. Also, indoor-outdoor speakers for your radio. You listen to the music inside or outside, and we do something different than most people. We actually put them on the outside of the wall instead of into the wall flush. If you put them flush mounted, inside everybody hears wall, 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 wall. We put them outside so you can actually listen to the news or the radio outside and not bother anybody inside. That's really a little thing, but we found out because we camp too. That's a picture of our owner's daughter who signed the contract, Sailor, who signed the contract in London, England, for us to be able to be the only people in the world to have the Laura Ashley fabric. That's pretty cool, I think. Also right here is our pass-through storage. It's huge pass-through storage for a small trailer. I mean, it's huge, and it has lights that are motion controlled. So the moment the door opens, the lights come on. The moment doors close, the lights go off. How neat is that? And I have arthritis. So I found it's beautiful slam latch closure. And when you open it, we found a latch that you can just touch instead of having to dig into it and wreck your fingers. And then it's magnetic. Ease of control for old fat guys like me. So this helps you see the aerodynamic front end. It's the most aerodynamic front end in the business, low center of gravity. And look at how well this fiberglass starts here and goes all the way to the bumper. It's just beautiful. And up here we have twin 20 gas cylinders for you, so you can replace those at any store around the country. And it has the great electric tongue jack with a light that faces right down where you need it. So many times they put lights on these things that they don't help, but ours, right where you're doing all your work, the light shines right down on top of it. Has a great place for a couple batteries, and then we still have, as I said, it was pass-through storage, so here's the storage from the other side, which is no big deal, but I just want to make sure you know there's storage. You can reach the storage from both sides of the coach. What's also nice is underneath here we have twin 30-gallon gray tank, 30-gallon freshwater tank, 30-gallon black water tank. And what's nice about the black water tank, right over here, we have a black flush. So we have a black flush for the black tank, which is really nice. And then we have a quick connect for an outdoor water so that you can spray everybody off and not have anything go in dirty. That's always nice. My wife loves that feature. So that's pretty cool. Then on the back end, this of course is your heavy duty bumper. So you put your sewage hose in there, but the better part is you can put bike racks here or on the A-frame, and know that you can take your bike racks or a kayak or something along with you by putting it on the bumper. So let's step inside and let you see the interior of this 19 CSK that you can tow with an SUV. All right, so up here you get to see the openness of this unit. This is what we call the open concept. We have travel trailers that are bedroom concepts, and then we have open concept. When you allow us to do an open concept, you get double the living space, and you get double the storage space, and you get double the counter space. That's pretty huge in a little RV. This is 23 feet, only going to weigh right at 3,300 pounds. That's really cool. So it's SUV towable, and look at all the features you get. You get a table that you can move wherever you want, and you can put it inside or outside. You get a sofa that turns into a bed. You get a magnificent counter space with an oven, a 3-burner grill top, not a 2-burner, with storage up top with a microwave. You get all this counter space and all this storage, just huge storage everywhere, and a bank of drawers. You get all these lovely drawers throughout, with ball-bearing glides. And what's neat is, look at this deep stainless steel sink with a pull-down rinse faucet that you get with it. And when you want to, you can reach in the overhead, pull out the cutting board that's also a sink cover, and use the whole counter space for entertaining if you want. So we kind of thought of everything here, even on a small little coach. What's really neat in this bedroom is you get a walk-around queen bed, and you get lighting that is blue for mood lighting, or you hit it a second time and it's a reading light. And then on both sides of the coach, or the bed, are USB ports hiding. Also USB ports in the kitchen and over at the sofa, so that you can wire up if you want to, and that's pretty nice. We have a secret under the bed. It just pops up because we have struts on it so you don't break your back. But the better part is, right down there underneath that felt is a spare tire. We keep our spare tire under the floor inside the coach where it doesn't dry rot in the lovely sun and weather around the country. So it's brand new the day you need it. And also it comes with a year roadside assistance, so if you don't want to change the spare tire, you don't have to. And look how easy that goes up and down. That's pretty cool. So again, you get all these features in a small coach. Up top, it's a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, not a little 7,100 like our competitors like to do because they say it's a small coach. No, if you're down in Florida or New Mexico or Texas or Arizona, you're not going to be hot. And we love that feature. And I should have pointed out something, but right over here on the stovetop is a beautiful teapot. It's beautiful. Well, if every Laura Ashley color, you get the teapot. It comes with it. That's a Laura Ashley teapot. So we've included that in the price of the trailer. That's pretty, it's just a neat little extra you get. On the rear of the coach, you should take a peek at the magnificent refrigerator freezer. It's 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It goes all the way back to the wall. Why is that so important? Because at this size of trailer, all of our competitors put in those college dorm ones that you can pretty much put in a couple cans and call it a day. We give you the same refrigerator freezer that you would normally get on a 30-foot travel trailer. I love that feature. And another neat feature is the bathroom. Wait till you see this bathroom. Instead of leaving something out, we've included everything in the bathroom, instead including a glass shower door. You can be 6'5" and take a shower. It has a turbo vent instead of one of those little Dollar General vents, which I love. You turn that on, and on a fall day, it will take all the heat out of here in seconds. In this coach, you get a vanity, you get the shower, you get the shower surround, you get the porcelain toilet. And unlike our competitors on this size of a trailer, they usually leave the vanity and the sink out, and they tell our customers, well, just wash your hands in the kitchen sink. My wife would kill you. My wife would kill you if you did that. These are all LED lights, so it keeps the coach a lot cooler. You're not feeling the heat from the incandescent, which is really nice. It also has all the other features that you would have for safety, smoke alarms, LP detector, safety chains. Everything's included. We even go the extra yard, and instead of having to reach up and turn your air conditioning on off at the top, everything's controlled at the thermostat, just like at home. That's important to me because there's some people that are a little short in stature, can't reach, and that's not fair, so we take care of them too. By the way, up top on the roof, we forgot to mention, you have 100-watt glass solar up on the roof. So what does that mean? It means you can charge your battery all the time, and whatever runs off your battery is going to keep going all the time, even when you're not hooked up. That's a pretty good feature to have. But I hope I'm covering everything for you. I hope you like this. We have 9 floor plans, range from 3,000 pounds all the way up to 4,250 pounds at 26 feet. But all those, there's an SUV out there that tow every one of those trailers. And if you don't think so, come visit us or go online to The Vintage Cruisers on Facebook, and you'll find out on there. There's 10,000 owners that'll show you what they're doing.
It's time for my final thoughts, and let's start with the things I like about the Gulfstream Vintage Cruiser 19 CSK. First off, I love the single-piece fiberglass roof from the front all the way to the bumper. Second, I love this well-thought-out couple's floor plan with the walk-around queen bed, the fully equipped dry bath, the large kitchen with plenty of counter space, and the overall open feel. That open feel brings me to my first con, however, because the open feel is achieved by using a slide, and generally I prefer to avoid slides if possible. I also wonder if the overall look is too vintage, but if you think so, it's nice to know you can go with the Vista Cruiser and its more modern aesthetic. Overall, the Gulfstream Vintage Cruiser 19 CSK offers a nice mix of premium features and affordability. Speaking of affordability, the MSRP of this unit in January 2026 was $39,574 in US dollars, and the show price was $26,995 US dollars, including a $2,000 finance discount. But back to my overall take on this trailer. If you're looking for an open and spacious couple's floor plan, the Vintage Cruiser 19 CSK is definitely worth adding to your list. If you'd like to see this trailer with a mid-bath and a separate bedroom, click the link on the screen. Thanks for watching and take care.